So next is depth first search. Already I explained what is that. So straight away we can go to the problem. So this is the graph I am taking. So I am going to insert the value as based on the given diagram. Okay, if they did not give any particular value to start, you can take as like whatever value you can. So I am taking the value called 0. So from has there is a little bit difference between breadth first search and depth first search. Okay, so there I visited what and all adjacent nodes to it, but here I am going to see take only one route and follow that route, like that I am going to follow. Okay, so first I am taking the value called 0. So from 0 to only one value I am going to traverse. Any value you can take, 3 or 1. So I am taking 1. Okay, so from 0 to 1 I have traversed. So from 1 I am going to traverse to any value, 3, 2, 4, sorry, 5 or 6, any value I can traverse. So I am taking the value called 3. Okay, so I have traversed, so 0, 1. Okay, I am taking that 1 to 3. So again next I am going to traverse from 3 to 2. Okay, I am tracking from 3 to 2. Okay, then again next value I am going to, so I write inside the stack by side. Then next I am going to track from 2 to 4. Okay, I will write the value called 4 inside this. Sorry, I traversed from 3, then 2. Okay, then from 2 to 2 I am traversing to 4. Okay, so 4, 2, 3, 2, and next I am going to 4. Okay, then from 4 I will take any route. From 4 I am taking 6. There is many routes, but I am taking from 4 to 6. So 4 to 6. Then there is no there is another route called so there is they have been come to an end. So depth first search meaning itself from one point to interior, such that there is no end itself. Till that we need to go in depth. So that is the depth first search meaning. Okay, I'll repeat the problem again. First from 0 to 1, then 1 to 3 I went, from 3 to 2 again I went, from 2 to 4 I came, then 4 to 6. This is the order I came into the traversal, but I have to compare with the graph and the values. So still the not visited element is 5, but there is no way from adjacent way from 6 to 5 or something. So I need to backtrack this graph. Okay, so I need to backtrack this graph. So I will pop the each and every element from the stack. So top of the element is from the stack is 6. So I am going to pop this. So what are all values will be inside this 0, 1, 3, 2 and 4. So backtracking from 6 to next element is 4. So I am backtracking from 6 to 4. Again I will pop this 4. Again I will go to 2. Okay, then from 2 is there value from to visit the 5? Yes, there is a way to visit 5. So the graph will be like this, 0, 1, 3, 2 and 5. Okay, then again so these